Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. A very happy and beautiful day out there to everybody watching. I want to start off by saying thank you so much for tuning in. This is a tag video. I was tagged by Maria over at agapelovegirl. Love her channel. She is absolutely gorgeous. So thank you for tagging me. This is the part-time YouTuber tag that was created by MonicaAP. And I will leave both Monica's channel as well as Maria's channel down below. Please go check them out. They're absolutely beautiful and I love their content down there. So there is 8 questions. So if you're curious, go ahead, stay tuned. We're gonna get into the video. Okay, before we get too far into it, absolutely make sure that you are subscribed and you do hit the like button so that I know that you like tag videos. I love filming them. I love watching them. I love finding tag videos as well. I can see like into 2020, like doing my own tag. Maria does some really great tags too. I've done hers. They're fantastic. So make sure that you go check out these beautiful ladies' channels. They're great content. If you like my content, go watch their content because it's good. But anyways, okay, question number 1. Your main gig. Do you work full-time? Are you a student, a parent? Spill the beans. My main gig is I am a mom, a wife, in that order. I have 4 beautiful children. They are 5, 7, 9, and 13. We're odd, ending the odd year in odd numbers. Next year we'll all be even. Family of 6. We were all born on even years. Fun fact about Kelly. Anyways, I am a mom of 4. Like I said, I am a wife to my husband. We were best friends. We grew up together. That is my main gig. Family, I guess, is my main gig. I do YouTube basically because I like to talk about makeup. I like to try makeup, and I think my friends kind of got sick of hearing about it, so I decided to go on the internet and find some new friends to talk about makeup about. So that's why I'm here, in case you were wondering. Okay, next question. What made you want to start YouTube? Well, I just kind of answered that, didn't I? I really do. Like, I love makeup, and I remember I've always worn makeup. Like my first driver's license when I was 16, like it was blue eyeliner, blue eyeshadow, blue. Everything was blue. And what really started my obsession with makeup was late night infomercial for Bare Minerals. Anybody been there? Is that how you started? Because that's how I started. I always loved makeup and lip gloss and everything like that. But yeah, that infomercial got me good. And anyways, this is really rambly. This is going to be fun to edit. But anyways, the question, why did I start? I love makeup. I love trying new makeup. And I really do think that my friends just were like, okay, Kelly, oh, you're trying, okay. Like, I kind of feel like I was just kind of bothering them a little bit, I guess. So I did. I decided to turn on the camera and make some new friends here on the YouTube. And I have met some beautiful ladies. I love my friends. I love my friends, whether you're a subscriber or somebody that we've like made a connection and we are friends or whichever. I love this. But anyways, that's why I'm here. To talk makeup, drink a lot of coffee, and make new friends. That's everything. Like everything. Okay. Number 3, what is your channel about? Do you stick to one niche or do you cover a few? Well, my channel is about I guess I just keep answering the question like previously. I do a lot of makeup, beauty related content. I did start to do a couple hair videos here and there. I was a cosmetologist before I decided to be a stay-at-home mom. So I was behind the chair for a few years. And I absolutely loved it. I loved doing hair. I did some theater hair at the local university. Worked in a spa kind of thing, and it just after I did work through the first 2 kids, then when I went on maternity leave for my 3rd, I decided to stay home after that. So I've been a stay-at-home mom for about 8 years. Absolutely love it. But anyways, my channel, what is my channel about? My channel is about rambling and everything like that. Mainly why I started, aside from wanting an outlet to chat about makeup, I wasn't finding a lot of people I personally as a viewer was connecting to. I am 37. I'm a mom. I'm a normal person. I buy what I want to buy. I do buy new releases once in a while because, hey, I am human. I do like makeup, and some new releases really catch my attention, and I really do want to try them. But for the most part, most of my purchases through 2019 just things that I wanted, things that were on sale I thought was a good deal, and hey, I really did want to try it kind of thing. Mainly I'm speaking of like The Rock, which started a like boom of like purchases, and none of it really was, well, no, The Rock, Deluxe Diamond, and then I did get their holiday collection. Like those two things I bought new. But like I bought all these other palettes that are 4 or 5 years old and I love them. So I kind of feel like maybe my niche is a little different as far as at least I hope it is. I buy what I want to buy. I'm not a new release channel. Actually, my new release videos do really bad. Like my new release review videos, they don't do great. My chatty videos do really good. My talking about new releases, talking myself out of them, really, those do really well. But like when I'm trying new release items, they kind of tank on my channel, and that's okay because I want to make friends. I'm not here for the new all the time. It's never been me. It's not who I am. I buy what I like and I share my thoughts on that. And hopefully everybody does like that kind of content. But then, I got the skincare a little bit, and then the hair. So I don't know. Just beauty as a mom. Is that a niche? I don't know. I kind of feel like I'm sure like lumped up into the beauty guru kind of group YouTubers, but I'm like, I still feel like I'm just like a mom, like a regular person mom, doing some like solo therapy, talking to camera about makeup while drinking coffee. But anyways, long-winded. Number 4, did you always know YouTube would be a side gig, or did you ever want to be a full-time YouTuber? No, I think YouTube will always be my side gig. I am a mom first, a mom of 4. I mean, I don't have a choice. To be honest, I love being a mom. I love being a wife to my husband. I guess I didn't finish that story either. We met when we were 13. We were best friends. He did a couple tours over in Iraq, and we stayed friends, and he came home, and started dating. Anyways, I married my best friend, so I am very lucky in that aspect. But anyways, it'll always be my side gig. My priority is at home, off camera, with my family that I did decide to build. Where this journey takes me, I don't know, but I know that it has already taken me to where I wanted it to be, and this is my happy place. This is a happy time to turn on the camera and chat and make friends and connections. I kind of already did what I set out to do in 1 year. If like it grows into something else, that's awesome, but I already hit it. Like I'm already where I'm at, want to be. Okay, next question. What is your schedule like? When do you film? When do you edit? I try to film twice a week. I try to film on Mondays and Wednesdays, and then I will edit the day before I upload, typically, unless I have something else going on. Then I will like zoom through and edit more. Again, I'm a mom of 4. I can skip a day of laundry. I can do laundry every other day and be okay. But there's dishes and like house maintenance. My dog, she likes to go on walks. She's very needy. She's like more needy now that like all of my kids are in school. She's like, yeah, I'm only child. It's me time. But that's my schedule. I don't like to work on the weekends. My son he's in preschool, so he only goes to school Monday through Thursday. So he has Fridays off. So that's mom and son time. So that's our time together. So I don't work Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays. Work. So I call it work. There is a lot of planning, editing, filming. Like there's time into this, but those are the times that I do set aside for myself. Number 6. How do you keep your YouTube channel organized? Do you plan videos ahead or just film what you feel like? Kind of both. I'm a planner junkie. I've always been like a physical planner junkie. Like stationery, like, oh, buy it all. Like it's a weakness. Like makeup. It's a weak. I could be a journal like planner kind of channel as well. But I like we'll stick to makeup like only. I do have a physical planner. I do in the month view. I do have like those little tabs, the sticky note tabs. I write down all of my video ideas. I do a lot of videos every month that are repeated. I do try to stick to like Get Ready With Me is always on Tuesdays, and like talk myself out of new releases always on Thursdays, and then everything else is kind of random. But I do monthly haul updates. So that's a video. I also do monthly favorites, so that's a video. And usually on Wednesdays and Fridays is when I try to plan like the trying something new or like a dedicated video. Like if there's one product I really want to like dedicate a video to, that's when I do those. And I usually have 1 or 2 days that are blank. So when I get tagged by friends, I can, throw in a tag video and it doesn't totally screw up everything. But I try to do a lot of making friend kind of videos, I guess. So I do plan, but I am able to move things around because they are just sticky notes. And then when that video does upload, I do pen it in my planner. I don't know if anybody's curious. I guess I could do a video on how I plan. I don't know if that would be helpful. I mean, I love my planner. Trying a new planner system this month or this next calendar year. Tried them all at this point, but anyways, I do schedule but light schedule. I have a rhythm as far as like dedicated days, and I just there's just a couple days that I have to pick and choose like something fun to film, like this tag. Thank you. Okay, number 7, how do you feel about sponsored videos on YouTube? Would you ever do one on your channel? I think it's cool. But I'm also one of those people too that you have to be honest. If you are doing a sponsored content of any kind, just say that it's sponsored. I don't know why. It doesn't bother me if I'm watching a sponsored content. It doesn't bother me at all. I don't know why it bothers anybody, to be honest. I think it's really, really like a neat idea I'm on YouTube because I want to make friends, because I like makeup, beauty, whatever. I'm here just to have fun, basically. And if there's a chance that somebody might want to give me $10, that's kind of cool. Like, that's a cool thing. Like, especially because this is my side gig. It's not my full-time job. And I know people can do this as a full-time job, and I don't think I'll ever get there, but I mean, you don't know, but sponsoring content doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me to watch it. I do think if ever, I mean, I've got 300 and some odd like subscribers. If I ever get that chance, maybe if it fits with my channel, I mean, as long as it fits to you or your lifestyle or like something, as long as it's not like, it doesn't come across as like a shock to like the channel to be like sponsored by something, I guess. Does that make sense? Am I making sense? I've had a lot of coffee. It's almost lunchtime. I'm really hungry. So, all right, let's talk about the last one. Number 8, what do you think is the biggest challenge of doing YouTube part-time? I think doing YouTube part-time, especially for me, and kind of where I've placed myself in the niche as far as like, I'm not a new release channel. Like, I'm not. I don't want to be. I don't think that will ever be like where I go anyways. I think the hard part about that is a lot of people do come to the YouTube for the new releases, for the swatches, for reviews, what's coming kind of thing. And I think that's what's hardest about it, is because I want to be part of like the beauty community, the positive beauty community. Like, I want to talk about the drama. It's not my thing. I have my own opinions, but I'm leaving it off here. But I find it really, really hard to be part of something that like most of what the beauty community is new releases. And that's not where I want to go with my channel and everything. So I do find that is the hardest part. So that is the end of the questions. I want to tag a few friends. I want to tag Heather Austin. I'm really curious to hear your answers. These are kind of personal and like really deep down, get to know you, like questions, and I'm curious. So Heather, I tag you. Who else would do this tag? Kyra, I tag you over at Journey in Beauty. I tag you. Debbie Knobloch, you do a lot of tags. I'm gonna tag you. So those are the ladies that I think that was awful. I think they would really do this tag. If by chance you are a creator, I tag you. I had a lot of fun doing this. Thank you so much, Maria, for tagging me. I absolutely adore and love your channel. And thank you, Monica, for doing such a great job on a tag video. This is really great. It's a little personal, but I really do like it. I really like it. I had a lot of fun. Anyways, I will see everybody in the next video. Bye.